Are you looking to learn basic guitar for beginners in 2023? Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you what you need to do and in order that you should do it to get you started in a more efficient way. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so you just bought your first guitar. What do you do next? First thing you should do is get your guitar set up. Take it to a guitar technician. What they do, they'll change the strings, they'll tune it up, they'll check the intonation and the action on the guitar. So if the action is too high, it's going to be hard to press down on the strings and it's going to make it harder to play the guitar. And if the action is too low, it's going to buzz and it's going to affect the tone of the guitar. So make sure you get that taken care of. Once you do that, then bring your guitar home and start on your journey. Alright, so now you got your guitar, you brought it home. Now you should learn to tune your guitar. So first let me tell you what the names of the open strings are. It's the low E, A string, D string, G string, B string, E string. Way to remember that is Eddie, 8, dynamite, good, by Eddie. Okay, so to tune it, here's the low E. So if it's flat, what you do, these are called tuning pegs. You take the tuning peg and you go counterclockwise. So you're going this way. If it's sharp, you go the opposite way, which would be clockwise, if it's sharp. You do that with all 6 strings. If you're getting value out of this lesson, I'll leave another video up there you can watch next. And regular tuning is in E standard tuning. Next thing you should do is learn how to hold the guitar. First thing you want to do, take your thumb, put it in the middle of the back of the neck of the guitar. Second tip, take your wrist, bring it out, make sure it's not touching the neck of the guitar. You want it away from the neck of the guitar, almost like you're making a fist. And third tip, take your finger, don't play with the flats of your fingers, but use the fingertips. So it looks like this. So when you start playing chords, you'll be able to reach the strings and it won't sound like this. It'll be clean. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. And leave a comment down below saying you subscribed, and I'll reply to your comment. Now I'm going to tell you what the 12 notes in guitar are. They are A, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A. Alright, now that I told you the 12 notes for the guitar, now what I'm going to show you is what notes are on the low E string. That's F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E. And there's no sharps between B and C and E and F. Once you get to fret 12, that's called an octave. What that means is it's the same note, just 12 notes higher. Now I told you what the name of the notes are. Alright, now I'm going to show you 2 easy chords to play. E minor. Open E. Go to the 2nd fret of the A string. 2nd fret of the D string. The rest of the strings are open. Now for A major, take those 2 fingers that are on the 5th and 4th string, bring them down to the 3rd and 2nd string. And then put your first finger above it on the D string with the open A. That's called the A major chord. You do it like that, or you could bar it. Whatever's easier for you. First one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now tap with your foot down, 1, down, 2, down, 3, down, 4. Each time you count, you tap your foot down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A major. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the other strumming technique is going to be eighth notes, which would be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So you count 1, your foot goes down, and then and your foot goes up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Switch. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So this was quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now if you want to be a little more difficult, you could put them together. It could be 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and. Or maybe do the opposite way. Go 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 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 Try working with those rhythms a little bit, and then put your own patterns together. And also, if you're wondering what these dots are, these are called inlays or markers. What it is just kind of so you know where your fingers are at and what you're playing. It kind of helps your eyes out a little bit. So the 3-note pattern starting on the low E string would be on 5, 7, 8. A, B, C. 5, 7, 8. Then you know the open A, then play the 2nd fret and the 3rd fret. A, B, C. 0, 2, 3. Then go up to the 12th fret, because that would be an octave from the open A. Then 14, 15. A, B, C. Now go to the D string. 7, 9, 10. A, B, C. 7, 9, 10. The G string. 2, 4, 5. A, B, C. 2, 4, 5. Then the B string would be the 10th fret, 12th, and 13th fret. A, B, C. 10, 12, 13. And then the same as the low E string. 5, 7, 8. A, B, C. Now you learned A, B, and C on all 6 strings. Now we're going to do another 3-note pattern, same way, but the notes are going to be D, E, and F. So D, E, F. 10, 12, 13. Now go to the A string, 5th fret, 7th fret, 8th fret. A, B, C. 5, 7, 8. Now it would be D, E, F, D, E, F, 12, 14, 15. Then go to the 7th fret on the G string, 9th fret, 10th fret, D, E, F, 7, 9, 10. Then go to the 3rd fret on the B string, 3, 5, 6, D, E, F, 3, 5, 6. Then to the 10th fret on the high E, 10, 12, 13, D, E, F. Now you just learned 6 strings all over the neck of the guitar.